Hello, good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. This is Sangeeta, your art and craft teacher. I hope you all are good. So, students, today we will talk about our favorite flowers. Okay. So my favorite flower is rose. Okay. I guess आप सबका भी rose ही होगा. Okay. Everyone likes rose only. So what I have decided today, I have decided to show you how to draw rose in easy way. So I'll tell you 2-3 rows, like 2-3 rows in different ways that will be easy for you to draw. Okay, and you will like it. And today I'm going to show you pencil colors. Okay, so you need your sketchbook, pencil eraser, black sketch pen and pencil colors. Okay, so let's start. So we are making a rose. Okay, I'll tell you simple one, 2-3 kinds of rose I'll show you. Okay, so first I'll start with bird. Okay, one जो bird वाला होता है, that rose I'll show you. Okay, so for that what you can do, first you need to make this. Okay, first what you need to do, you need to make this one first, and then second, from here we'll do this same only. This, so 1 and 2. First you have to draw this and then this. Then third, this one you need to make, and similarly here. Okay, and last you can do this. Then here you can add these leaves. And the stem. For the leaves, what you have to do, rose leaves are like this. Fine. So this is one type we can do. I'll show you the same only. Okay. Like this also you can do, and from here you can make this stem. So this one only you can do like this also. Similarly make leaves. Fine. Now I'll tell you second. this we will make with heart shape. Okay, we will make it with the heart shape. So you will be able to see most of the heart shape in this. Okay, so first you can do this. I'll mark 1. You need to do this first. Then as I said that we will be using heart shape. So from here I'll make one heart. Okay, this is my heart. So first what I did, I made this spiral kind of thing, and then I made heart. Now in third I'll again make one heart. Following this only you have to make heart. Okay, now done. Now we won't use heart. What we will do up from here and here, जो हमने यहाँ पे petal बनाया था, the same petal we have to draw here, and similarly from here. So third, fourth, fifth. This is 6 and this is 7. Now I'll make one last petal here. This is 8. So just follow the numbers, then you will easily get it how you have to do. Okay, one spiral thing you need to make, then second में you have to make one heart, third में one more big heart, and fourth में from here you need to make one rose petal like this as we did here. 5 में same, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so your flower is done. Now you can add leaves. Leaves में see 2 ways. Either you can make stem this way as we made there, or else you can make leaves here. This way. So these 2 roses we can easily make. Okay, so done. Now we have to color these. Okay, so for the colors today I'll show you pencil colors. Okay, I'll show you how to do pencil colors. And yes, I did use my red color to draw, but you have to draw with pencil. As you know, you have to draw with pencil only. Okay, with pencil you need to draw first, and then you can outline with your black color. Not red, don't do with red, do outline with black color. So first you have to draw with pencil. Second, you need to outline it with your black sketch pen. Okay, and in the third step you have to do color, and that too pencil colors. Okay, here I have pencil color, these Faber-Castell. Okay, I always use these Faber-Castells, so I suggest that you also use the same. Yes, I hope this is visible. If not, it's okay, I'll write the name in the homework group. Okay, so if you want, you can get the set of Faber-Castell pencil colors. They are really glossy and gives the best effect. So, and if you can't get Faber-Castell, then get Domes ke. Okay, Domes are also okay. Fine. So now what you have to do, you have to take two shades. As I say in the crayons or oil pastels, that you have to take any two shades. So here for rose also we have to do two colors. So I'm taking this, and that should be dark and light color. Okay, one should be dark and light. So I'm using these two colors. I'm using this shade, this is a maroon shade, as a dark color, and red to fill inside, or you can take yellow color. Okay, it's up to you. You can take any other color. You can take red, yellow also. I'll show in another. So with the dark color, you need to give outline, thick outline. See how I'm doing. Okay, I'll be giving thick outline. You need to put pressure on your color to get the darker shade. See, I'm putting a lot of pressure on my color to get the darker shade. Okay, now here, everything whatever you have made, you need to outline. Fine, done. So first step is done, that we have done the outlining of our rose. Now comes to the second one. We will fill it with our light color. So I am taking red as a light color here. Now one more thing to notice, that you have to color in one direction. One direction means if you are doing in sleeping way, then do in sleeping. Okay, if it's standing, then do standing only. If slanting, so do slant way. Okay, so it means you have to do in one direction only. You cannot change your direction. If you change your direction, see, if you're doing like this and then you did this, then this, so it looks that scribbled, you have scribbled it, so it does not look good. So please don't do this. You can use these ways. Okay, now I'll start. And yes, when you color, you need to hold, when you color inside, while outlining, you need to hold your pencil this way, because you have to put pressure on it. And while while coloring, you need to hold your pencil bit slant. ऐसे पकड़ना है, सीधा नहीं पकड़ना है. If you hold it like this, तो dark color आएगा. So hold it this way and start color lightly. Don't put pressure now. We don't have to make it dark. Lightly you can color. And yes, fill all the white spaces. Here you will be able to see that I am doing in one direction, and it will look really fine. If you do in one direction, it looks really fine. See, done. Here, don't leave any white space. Done. Now for the stem, you can take either green or brown. So I'm taking green here. Similarly, with the green also you can do that same way. Dark say outline you can do, and lights with the light color you need to fill inside. So I have two shades of green. यही इनसे ही I'll do up. तो outline. This is actually not. This one I'll take. And there is very small space, so I'll fill with my this color. Okay, for the leaf I'll show. Actually I have done the drawing with red color, so it's not looking that good. इसलिए I ask you to use black color to outline. Okay, use black color to outline. Done. And then fill it with your light green color and in one direction up. Oh sorry, I guess it was not visible. It's okay, you see this one. I thought it was going out of camera, I guess, right? This one is visible, so please see this one. Done outlining. Now fill it with so like this you need to color. See how pretty it's looking. You have to follow the same way. Similarly we can do this. So for this I'll change the shades. I'll be using red and yellow. Okay, red as my dark color and yellow as light. I'll start with my red color. See, you have to do the outline so that it is visible. So for that you need to put pressure on your pencil. If you won't put pressure on your pencil, you won't get the darker shade. See how many times I have to do it. See. So then this part is left. Okay, Now I'll take my light color, that is yellow. I'm taking here. You can take orange as well. Then hold it slant and fill it. And remember that you have to fill in one direction only. Yeah, if you want to change your direction here in this, like different petal में you can change your direction, but एक साथ नहीं. जैसे यहाँ पे इस तरीके से फिल किया, अगर इसमें आपको ऐसे करना है तो या बट this full space should be fill in the same direction. Okay, this you can do. अभी इसको आपको स्लीपिंग में करना है, that you can do. Now, as I said, the leaves you can do the same way. Now either yellow, light green, whatever color you want to fill, you can. So I'm taking here my light green and I'll fill it with that. Make sure you guys do this in the same way. Okay. And if you don't have pencil colors right now, so for this you can use crayons, but in the same way only. Okay, you have to do the crayons also in the same way. With the crayons you can do the same way, outlining with dark color, and inside you can fill light color. Okay, so it's done. You can do it same. You can use either some pink color or purple color, whatever you like. You can make that of different color. Okay, but follow the same method of coloring. Okay students, then ma'am will take leave now. I'll see you live in the class. Okay, and that time I would like to see you doing 2-3 flowers, these 2-3 flowers, and the color in the same way as I shown. Okay, till then students, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay healthy. Jai Swaminarayan.